Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss our next chapter, and this chapter is negative sentences, and this chapter is chapter number 24. Right? So negative sentences are the sentences that have words like no, not, nothing, never. So here we are going to discuss that how do we use not in a sentence when helping verbs are given, because we do use helping verbs plus not in a sentence whenever we are going to frame negative sentences. We do use not with the helping verbs, right? So here be words are given. Be words I have written here. Be words means is, am, are, has, have, was, were. So here we are going to discuss the use of not with helping verbs. So as you know students, that is we use with one thing, and we use with I, are we use with the plural nouns when we talk about more than one person, place or thing. So we simply add not. Now let's take example. He is not happy. So here helping verb is, and I have simply added not with he. He is not happy. Not with be verb, that is. Second is I am not his classmate. So here again not is with be verb. I am not his classmate. Now let's take another example. Now here has or have. Has or have we used to talk about possession when we own something. Has we use with one thing, one person, place, thing. He, she, it, right? Have we use with more than one person, place or things. So here, no. I have no pencil. So I have used have with I have no pencil. Next is he has no idea. With he, what do we use? We do use has and no. Next, if we talk about the past tense, past actions, what do we use? We use was, were in a sentence. Was we use with one thing, with singular noun, and were we use with plural nouns. Again, we do use not with the was and were. She, one person, she was not at home. Were, with were, what do we use? They. They were absent yesterday, last day, the previous day. So, was with she and were with they. More than one person, place or things, what do we use? Were. For past tense. Now let's discuss future tense. Future tense we use will, shall. So if in a sentence we got will not, I will be at home, she will be at home. So we do use not with the helping verbs. Now let's take one example. He will not be present on the occasion. He will not be present on the occasion. So I have added not with will. Will not be present on the occasion. Next is shall. So with I and we do use shall. We shall not go to the picnic. We shall not go to the picnic. Now students, as we have discussed tense in the previous sessions, so whenever we read first form of the verb in a sentence, for example, Ram likes chocolate. So here we are talking about one person, and here as we have used with the first form of the verb, that is like. Ram likes chocolate. So whenever we do read first form of the verb with s or es, we do use do or does plus not, plus first form of the verb. For example, Ram, singular subject, does not comes with singular noun. Ram does not like chocolate. She does not like chocolate. They do not like chocolates. With singular noun, what do we use? We use does not, do not, we use with plural nouns. Now, Meeta bought flowers. Meeta bought flowers. So, bought is the second form of the verb buy. So, when we read bought in a sentence, we know that this is the second form of the verb. And what do we use to make it in a negative sentence? Did not plus first form of the verb. And did we use for both the nouns, singular noun and plural nouns. Meeta did not buy flowers. Meeta did not buy flowers. Now students, let's talk about imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are the sentences that shows a kind of command. For example, come here. Come here. Open the book. Go there. So whenever we are going to frame negative sentences of the imperative sentence, what do we use? We simply add do. And we say, don't come here. This is the negative form. Open the book. Don't open the book. Go there. Don't go there. So students, we have to keep this thing in mind that whenever we are going to frame negative sentences, when helping verbs are given, we simply add not with the helping verbs, right? And this is how we frame negative sentences. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.